Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically mask your photos in Photoshop using this feature. It used to be a little bit harder to do, but now you can just select the frame button here and then select the shape you want. I'm just going to select the circle shape. I'm just going to press shift to make it like even, and you're just going to basically go over it and it will just clip your photo. You can kind of like adjust it. I know I know there's like another way, but I don't know why I can't find shapes, but it's easier. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!